What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mac Art from Alkaline Herbs and Recipes, and today I wanted to show you some of this yellow dock I was digging up on my hike today. Now, a couple things about yellow dock. Yellow dock is great for inflammation, blood cleansing. It's great for cleansing the liver, the nasal tract, and it's heavy in iron. Now, the reason why they call this yellow dock, well, as you can see, these pieces are red or magenta, but during the summer, this plant and these seeds right here are really bright yellow and green on the leaves, hence the name yellow dock. But the real reason is for the yellow dock is when you cut the root of this plant open, the root of this plant should be yellow. So what I'm gonna do is go get my knife, and then I'm gonna cut this root open, and we're gonna see. Okay, now I'm back. Now I'm gonna take my trusted handy knife right here and cut some of this root open. Okay, here are some cut pieces of the yellow dock, hence the name when you cut the root of this plant. See how I cut the root, and it's a real pretty yellow right there. It's real pretty. All right, now like I said, this plant could be used for powders, teas, tonics, and a whole array of other things. Soaps, it's great for the skin, and many other things. Yeah, so that was my quick little video on yellow dock. Yellow dock can pretty much be found anywhere in North America. You just have to know what you're looking for. It's best to use this plant and pick it wild crafted. And like I said, use it in powders, tonics, or in teas, or however you like to use it. All right, you guys be blessed.